Gayatri, working as assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today, myself and my students going to discuss about the design thinking approach on the uninterrupted power supply. As SNS institutions, we are following the design thinking approach. The design thinking approach, we are discussing about the 5 stages. The first one will be the empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. In the empathy part, we are going to understand the user needs, and in the define part, we are going to identify the problems what are the users facing, and in the ideate part, we are going to innovate the ideas for the users, and prototype, we are going to create the solutions for the users, and in the test part, we are going to test the prototype what we have identified for the users. Today, my students going to discuss about the 5 stages of uninterrupted power supply. Let's start our discussions.
Today we are going to discuss about the uninterrupted power supply using the design thinking approach. First, empathy. Empathy means its objective thing is to understand the user needs and challenges of the users, and then there are 2 types of users: residential users and commercial users. Residential users needs more affordability, compact size, and low maintenance and easily handling. And they are need to integrate the home environment into a simple thing. That the ideas of the residential users. And the commercial users. Commercial user needs scalability and reliability to handle the heavy duty operations, and they need the detailed approach of the monitoring systems of the uninterrupted power supply. These 2 users are the empathy of the uninterrupted power supply.
Hello everyone, I'm talking about empathize pain point. First of all, lack of transparency about battery health and duration and system performance. Radius of maintenance process without timely alert, okay, and inefficient in adapting like energy source like solar, and bulk and outdated the take up significant space. It is not used to set to smart home or office.
So by quickly moving on to the next stage, I would like to define the problem statement. The traditional UPS system often lacks in providing real-time monitoring and complicated interfaces and sustainability. While going to the real-time monitoring, it often lags in time delaying sector. Also, they often lag with complicated interfaces which does not provide the users to use it easily. And thirdly, sustainability. It often leaves the environmental footprints which is unhealthier for the environment, and this makes them less efficient and less adaptable. So quickly we can move on to the later updates.
So I'm going to explain about the ideate phase of this UPS system. In ideate part, the proposed solutions are smart monitoring app. In smart monitoring app, it displays about the battery health and warranty period and customer details and power consumption and alert for maintenance. And modular design. The modular design, it is very customizable, so the batteries can be easily customized for the varying needs. Next, eco-friendly. Solar integration can be introduced in the for making it sustainable power. User-friendly interface. The apps can be made user-friendly interface with multilingual languages, so it can be accessed by any people in different countries. And IoT integration. The usage of voice assistants like AI, Amazon Alexa, Bixby, and these can be introduced in the UPS system. So through which the users can command UPS through their voices.
And the fourth stage is prototype. Prototype of this project is the modern UPS system is used to interrupt the high customizable power subsystem, and it is more cost efficient and easily approachable. And the hardware system is used in software touch displays, scalable batteries, and etc. And the software used prototype uses to help to detect the usage of battery health and performance, and the usage of battery and sustainability of battery and lifetime of the batteries.
Okay, here I'm gonna explain the fifth stage of the design thinking framework, which is the testing and the outcomes. Like we're gonna test the prototype in large buildings and residential areas and busy small offices in the public. We're gonna get their feedbacks. Like the expected outcome for this project is like the modularity. Like the modularity will be really appreciated for the easy and adjustable according to the needs, and the integration of solar to save the cost for efficient power supply, and the monitoring app which allows us the condition of the prototype with the alert messages. Like another extra added features are child safety features, child safety lock feature with emergency lights.
After all this discussion, let me conclude this. By applying design thinking approach, the redesigned UPS system involves user pain points, including unclear battery health and high maintenance cost, while introducing smart monitoring and modular scalability and solar integration. These enhancements make the system user-friendly and future-ready. And this solution bridges a gap between conventional power backup system and eco-conscious world.